Hi, I'm LaShawn Guidry. I'm the creator of the Guidry Wealth Building, the professional line of real estate investing and training courses. And today I'm going to be presenting to you our latest course to our full line. This course is going to show you how to get the cash you need to close your deals. Now, you may have taken some other courses and learned some different methodologies, but I'm going to ask you just to stop for a moment and everything you've been doing that isn't producing the results you want, I want you to just kind of stop for a moment and listen to what we have to say in this presentation, because we're going to show you how to stop doing a lot of things. We're going to first show you how to stop struggling to get your real estate deals done. We're going to show you how to stop stressing about the funding you need to close these deals or getting loans. We're going to show you how to stop maxing out your credit cards, stop chipping away at your retirement and your 401k plan, and stop missing out on all these great deals that are available that have nice equity spreads and also opportunities for multiple exit strategies. It's a lot of stopping, but there's going to be a lot of starting too. Now, the starting is going to be start closing deals with cash in a 15-day close. Start doing multiple deals on a monthly basis. Start building wealth for you, your future, and your family, and start building wealth for your clients. So you're probably wondering, what is all this stopping and what is all this starting? What are you talking about, LaShawn? What I'm talking about is private money investing. And when I say private money investing, I'm talking about OPM. So learning how to use OPM, or OPM is other people's money, for those of you that are not familiar with the term OPM. So when you begin to use other people's money, you open up a whole new arena as it relates to cash and funding opportunities and funding sources to get your deals done. I don't know how many of you are out there that have tried to get deals done but don't have the right credit or the down payments required or the proper documentation for the bank or the financial institution to get approved for a loan. Or with private money investing, it's a little bit, it's actually not a little bit, it's a lot easier to get the funds you need for your real estate deals, because that's all they do is loan money to investors to get their deals done. So I'm not talking about hard money. So if you're thinking it's hard money and you're about to, shut this video off, that's not what we're talking about. It's not hard money. These are short-term funds, basically 1 to 3 year loans. And unlike hard money, where the hard money lender is going to tell you how much they're going to loan you, at what loan to value ratio, and at what percentage, and for how long, with private money investing and using OPM funds, you set the terms. So you can say, I need this money for 6 months. I need the money for 1 year. I need the money for 2 years. You also set the interest rate. So you can set the interest rate from anywhere from 6 to 10%, because you control the transaction, you control the deal. And these investors are hungry for real estate investors that they can loan their funds to on a short-term basis, because they're not seeing this type of return on the investments that they have in other commodities, or their stocks or mutual funds or 401ks or wherever else they have their funds in. They're not seeing a 6 to 10% return on those dollars in a 1 to 3 year term. So you're going to be able to give them a win-win situation. And in most cases, there's no down payment requirement or any type of credit check. So this is a great way for you to get over the hump if you're struggling to get deals done, if you're struggling with maxing out credit cards or tapping into your 401ks or whatever you're doing, or losing sleep at night because you have this great deal but you can't get it done because you don't have the money and the hard money lender is giving you a hard time to get this hard money. You should start using private money. Start using OPM with these nice terms, 1 to 3 years. We do deals sometimes at 6 months and turn the money back around to our investors, and guess what? They're ready to invest again. So we're able to get multiple deals done here, anywhere from 10 to 12 deals done on a monthly basis using private funds. So I hope you enjoy this and understand this, because like I said, at the onset. We're going to stop doing a lot of things that aren't producing the results that you're looking for and start doing things that will produce those results for you. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with our training courses or not, but each one of our training courses comes with a personal coach. So you're not going to be left alone. You will receive your training manual, but you will be assigned a personal dedicated coach that works with you one-on-one. So we don't offer any of the group training sessions or weekly training calls or anything like that. Everything we do with the Guidry Wealth Building system is customized and it is one-on-one. It's very personal. And that personal touch, the one-to-one, gives you the opportunity to ask your coach very pointed and constructive questions. And your coach can be with you and answer those questions. So you're not going to be tasked with filling out a support ticket or calling into our toll-free number and waiting for the next available coach. Your coach is dedicated to you for the duration of your life cycle with the Guidry Wealth Building, Real Estate Investing and Training courses. Our course will also provide you with all the documentation and all the forms that you need to get these deals done. So that's everything from your amortization charts, if you need those, to figure out the different percentage rates and terms and payments and things like that, your escrow documents, so they're going to fund your escrow, the contracts you need between you and your private party funder, the documents you need for escrow to let them know that you're going to be using private party funds, every single document that you need to get your deal solidified and have a successful close. We also provide to you all your marketing documentation. So when you're going to be meeting with your potential clients, you know exactly what to say and how to say it and how to present it. So we really set you up so you will have nothing but success when you're meeting with these particular private investors that are going to be loaning these, major dollars to you because they are looking to invest with real estate investors on a very short-term basis. So you will have a personal coach that will guide you step by step. You will get all your documents and forms and marketing materials to get in front of these particular investors to get your deals done. And you also get access to the private funders. So we don't only show you how to use the private funds to get deals done. We don't give you the documents, but we also give you the access to the private cash funders. So wherever you're located in the country, let us know what city and county or state and county rather that you're going to be investing in, and we'll provide you with all the private cash funders available in that particular market. So you will be set up for success. So again, like I said at the onset of this presentation, we're going to ask you to stop doing whatever you have been doing in the past that is not producing the results you're looking for in your real estate investing business or career. We're going to show you how to start making the money and building the wealth and getting multiple deals done on a monthly basis. So I want to show you the course right now, and the course is, we call it the how to use OPM to fund your real estate deals. Now, our courses go from, very different prices, but we try to keep our courses very affordable, and I think we do a pretty good job at that. But I don't know what this course would be worth to you. But let me pull up the bonuses right now before you start to think about what the course is going to be worth to you. So up here in the front, very large, is the course, the standard course, how to use OPM to fund your real estate deals. I mean, it's the best thing since sliced bread. And when I started investing many years ago, I was using my own money, which is very long and very strong, but it came to a point where my money became leveraged. It was tied up. It was maxed out in properties, and I had a staff, and it just got to a point where I had to figure out a way to get more money in the business to continue the business. And I figured out how to reach out to very wealthy individuals and show them how I can double what they're doing as far as their return on their investments and give to them in a shorter period of time. So I created a win-win for the clients or the investors rather, and for my business. So I haven't looked back since then. So once I mastered and learned how to create wealth for my business and other individuals at the same time, wealth building is where it's at, and investing in real estate is the fastest and strongest way to build wealth in this country. So with all that said, here's the course. It's how to use OPM to fund your real estate deal. And we're also offering you all the sample documents and forms and marketing materials that you would need to get, your deals done and in front of the private party lenders. We also give you all the real estate terms and definitions. You may know these, I'm not for sure, but we just throw them in as a bonus. You also get the one-on-one coaching sessions. So you have a live person that you work with weekly on your coaching sessions. And we also give you the access to the private cash lenders. So if you think about this whole complete package, what is something like that worth to you? What is it worth to you to be able to get over the hump, to start submitting offers with a 15-day cash close and the opportunity to get multiple deals done on a monthly basis? So I don't know if you're currently wholesaling deals or if you're trying to just grab a deal here, grab a deal there, you're doing it in your part-time, doing it as a hobby. I don't know, but if you're serious about investing in real estate, if you're serious about building wealth in real estate, the key is proper training and the funding to get your deals closed. Yes, it's nice to wholesale deals, but you're looking at 10, 20 grand a pop per deal. But what if you could actually close those deals with cash and collect some rent, some cash flow for a couple of months, and then turn that same deal around and sell it for, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 equity spread? I think that'd be a nicer payday for you than, making the 10 or 20,000 you make just flipping a deal to another investor. I think me personally, I'll be a lot happier with the monthly cash flow and the lump sum payday in a few months. You can't do that if you don't have the cash to close the deal at the onset. So you have to opt for a wholesale transaction or opt for a wholesale exit strategy. But just imagine you can start getting deals done, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 deals, a couple of those a month, using someone else's money to get those deals done. You could just see how your income stream will change. You can see how this could change your life. So with all that said, how much would that knowledge be worth to you? How much would it be worth to you just to even learn how to use OPM or have the access to the private cash lenders? How much would the coaching be to you? This is dedicated one-on-one coaching. This is not, coaching that's, a group call, conference call with 10 or 50 other people on the line. This is you and your coach one-on-one. So I ask you again, how much you think that's worth to you? Right now, the promotion is $450. $450 to learn how to use other people's money to get your real estate deals done, to have a personal, private, dedicated coach that will work with you one-on-one throughout your life cycle with Guidry Wealth Building, access to the private cash lenders in your particular county or wherever you plan to be investing. So if you live in, I don't know, Los Angeles, California, and you plan to invest in Clark County, Nevada, pull up investors in Clark County, Nevada. You have the access to that. So for $450, you can get your training course and the complete bonus package, which is all of your sample documents and forms and marketing materials, the real estate terms and definitions. You get your private, personal, dedicated one-to-one coach, and you get the access to the private cash lenders. So we started this whole conversation off with stop. Stop doing whatever you've been doing in the past that is not working for you. Stop using your credit cards and maxing those things out. Stop tapping into your retirement and your 401k plans. Stop struggling to get your deals done. Stop stressing. And we went directly into start. So my question to you now is, are you ready to stop struggling? Are you ready to stop struggling in your real estate career? Are you ready to start building wealth for you, your family, and your future? Well, if you are, you should get started right now. You can order your system today by calling 888-869-7210, extension 310, and ordering your How to Use OPM to Fund Your Real Estate Deal course today. You can also order online at shop.guidrywealthbuilding.com. So again, we have two ways for you to order. You can order online at shop.guidrywealthbuilding.com, or you can place your order at 888-869-7210, extension 310. I truly thank you for taking a few moments out to listen to this new presentation and our new training course. But if you need any additional information on any of our professional training courses, you can always visit us at www.guidrywealthbuilding.com, or you can email our coaching staff at coaching@guidrywealthbuilding.com. And we're available at 888-869-7210, extension 310. To your success. Thank you very much.